Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I have May's Unity Sentiment Kit with You Home. I have pre-stamped and pre-cut the image from the kit, and I'm going to be using Copics to create textures on this house. We're going to begin by coloring the house, and we're going to make some bricks. I didn't want to go with my traditional red, so I went with E31 as my darkest color, made some vertical lines, and then alternating horizontal lines. And that made some bricks. Using 3 shades of brown. We're gonna begin with the darkest, which is E59, and I'm gonna color just the outer corners of each shingle. I'm gonna go in with my medium shade and color the entire part of the shingle. With the same color, I'm gonna create the shingles onto the porch roof there. I'm gonna color the window using BG10 for the window and then BG32 for the edge. Now for the door. I wanted to have a really bright door, and I know usually we do red doors, but you know, let's go with blue. We're gonna do a kissing technique with these 2 colors. I have B18 and B21. I'm gonna kiss the markers, the lightest to the darkest, to create a medium shade, and then blending those towards the center. This is a really nice way to add a medium shade when you don't have that medium color marker. We're gonna place our wood grain piece of cardstock onto our card base. I have pre-cut a pattern paper in red, added that over the wood grain, added some foam adhesive to the house. I have the Winnie Walter Congrats die. I have cut this out of red cardstock, adding some foam adhesive and placing that over our card. This is now ready to give to your newest neighbor or somebody that is moving into their new home. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Have an awesome day.